Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Well, I've not been feeling too well. You can even see from my facial expression and all that. I've not been feeling too good. That's why I've not been able to make some videos for you guys. But I'm really sorry about that. You know, starting a sole proprietorship business is killing, so please bear with me. I'm really sorry, and I'm making a video. Just hope I'll be consistent with it, right? I just hope I will be. So I'm really sorry, you viewers, my subscribers. I love you guys like kilo day. I'm really sorry. So today I'm going to be talking about body wash. But I notice most of my subscribers are like, why are you always talking about pro mixing, always industrial product? Well, today the body wash we're going to be concerned about is actually going to be homemade body wash, but maybe a bit of industrial product, a bit, just a bit, but not all that. But the industrial products that are not harmful to the body. So, but we still call it organic body wash because it's filled with organic, just a little bit. Maybe the castle soap would say is not organic because it's not organic. We know it's not organic. So I'm gonna be listing out the ingredients needed and I'll tell you guys how to make it. Come on. So now I'm actually gonna be teaching you guys how to prepare your Egyptian body wash, so they say, or your body wash, but it's homemade recipe. It's not industrial recipe and the rest stuff like that. So if you guys are expecting it to whiten you over time, honey, no. And besides, I even said it, body wash alone cannot whiten you. Though it can polish your skin, make your skin look good, but body wash cannot whiten you. I've not even seen a body wash that will just whiten you without you using moisturizer and scrub and all that. No. That's why each time you actually want to make a body cream, or you're actually requesting a body cream mixture for you, it comes in a set. So the set actually gives it that boost. It makes it work, function properly. So don't expect the body wash like I used the body wash, you didn't. No. But I'm gonna show you that the body wash doesn't itch the skin, it doesn't irritate the skin, and it's meant to be used for all skin type. You know, there's some body wash that are not meant to be used for some particular skin type, because you'd notice it might probably irritate the skin. But this body wash is meant to be used for all skin type. So let me tell you guys how to prepare the body wash. So one of the ingredients needed to help make our Egyptian body wash, so we should say, is half cup of castor soap. Yes, castor soap can be in a liquid form or in a solid form. But for people who are beginners, I would advise you go for castor soap in a liquid form. You know, you just get it, it's already in a liquid form and it's just easier for you to make your soap with it. But if you actually want to go all the way and say, you know what, forget it, I want to use a solid castor soap, fine, all well and good. You grate your castor soap, you put in a bowl, you add water into it, and use a double boiler method or your microwave. Now, if you're actually a new subscriber or you're just watching my video for the first time and you do not know what double boiler method is, you can just go back to my other videos and just check out what double boiler method is. When I talked about double boiler method, just check it out and have formal knowledge of what double boiler method is. So the extraction method, immediately you take it out of the microwave or the double boiler method which you used, the extraction method should lead to your liquid castor soap. So we would need 3 teaspoons of honey. Honey, as we know, contains antioxidant properties, which can be used to clear off dark spots on the body as well as on the face. And most times you see people using honey as their mask. Most times that's what they use. They just put honey on their face in the morning and it's really beautiful. And you can also use honey with milk. You can mix it together and use it as your mask. Or you can just take it. You know, most people take honey and milk together and just drink it. It's really good on the body. And for a lady who is probably, maybe you're done with relationship, you do not want to go through relationship again, heartbreaks, and like, you know what, fuck men, I'm tired of men. I'm sorry for saying that on this channel. I'm sorry for using the F word. I'm tired of men. I don't want to do anything with men again. I'm just tired. You just keep breaking my heart and you just want to be all alone. You can just keep taking honey, you know, to help soothe your body, because it's not advisable for a woman to stay without sex for a long period of time. It's not advisable. So all you have to do is just get honey. So honey will just keep the part of the vagina lubricated, not lubricated like outside, but keep it in check. That's what I mean. So we need 5 teaspoons of aloe vera juice. Aloe vera can be used to heal so many things. Should I say stretch marks? It can be used for stretch marks, yes, when mixed with castor oil, but no stretch marks gotten from cream. Stretch marks maybe caused from weight gain, or you notice as you were growing up you saw stretch marks over time. It can be used to heal, to fade off your stretch marks, and it can also be used for teeth sensitivity. People actually having teeth sensitivity, aloe vera gel can be used, or aloe vera juice can be used to treat your teeth sensitivity. And it can also be used to mask your face. You notice most people that tend to have spots on their face use aloe vera gel or juice on their face. It's actually good and it suits the skin. And we need 2 teaspoons of goat milk powder. Goat milk powder, not cow milk powder. You think they are the same. They are not the same. Cow milk powder is different from goat milk powder. Goat milk powder is more nutritious than cow milk powder. It contains lots of vitamins as well as minerals that are very, very good and soothing to the body. It can be used for kids. I know of someone who tends to use goat milk powder. As expensive as that milk is, he tends to use it for his dog. He feeds his dog, and you need to see how plumpy they are. Beautiful. And their skin is... So we need 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil. Sunflower oil can be used for cooking. It can be used for frying. Yes, people who actually love to fry, like me, I love to fry. So sunflower oil can be used to fry, can be used for cooking, can also be used to reduce signs of aging. If you're aging, sunflower oils can be used to reduce signs of aging, and also for athletic foot. Most times people tend to run, they tend to have this kind of pains around their leg. Apart from that, maybe their leg looking so reddish. So the sunflower oil can be used to reduce that. And 1 teaspoon of bee pollen. Bee pollen contains minerals as well as proteins and vitamins, which can be used on the body, can be taken like that on the body, as well as can be used for the skin. It's gotten from the bees, so that's from the back part of the bee. And we'll need 1 teaspoon of granules. We have different types of granules, different varieties of granules. We have food granules, we have citric acid granules, we have lime or lemon zest granules. But the granules I'm talking about here today is the lemon zest granules or the lime zest granules, because one, lime or lemon tends to lighten the skin a bit. That's why we need the granules. So we need to make use of lemon zest granules. And there's half cup of glycerin. The glycerin we're talking about here is not the whitening glycerin. We're talking about the vegetable glycerin. We want to make this shower gel as organic as possible. The only thing that is not making it look organic is the castle soap. That's the only soap that we added that is not organic. But other products ranging from the goat milk, ranging from aloe vera juice, it's plain organic. That's why we actually want to make it as organic as possible. I would need 1 teaspoon of royal jelly. Royal jelly can also be gotten from the bee. It's lovely. It can be taken like that. Most people take royal jelly like that. Most people get to eat it. They use it with their bread as a jam and stuff like that. People eat royal jelly. I keep saying it, if you want to make organic products, whatever is edible is what you use to make your organic products. These are homemade remedies. They are edible. You can eat them. And we need 30 drops of grapeseed extract. Grapeseed is a carrier oil. It's not an essential oil. In case most of you are making mistakes and saying it's not an essential oil. Grapeseed is a carrier oil that is suitable for normal skin and oily skin. That is one of the oil that is really suitable for normal skin and oily skin, especially for people suffering from spots and all that. It tends to rid off spots. That's why we are adding grapeseed extract into it, and it's a beautiful carrier oil. It's really lovely on this. Okay, so the way we're going to be preparing is for us to get to bee pollen, our granules, as well as our aloe vera juice, and we mix the mixture together in a bowl, and we get our blender. Yes, we're going to be making use of blender. Some people will be like, yeah, we're going to be making use of a blender. Yes, we're going to be making use of a blender here. And you get your mixture. The mixture I'm talking about, mixture we actually mixed earlier, that's the bee pollen, the granules, as well as the aloe vera juice that has been mixed in a bowl. We pour it into the blender, as well as our milk. Now the milk we're talking about here is the goat milk. Please don't go around using another milk. Be precise about it, goat milk powder. Then we go for goat milk. The reason why we're using goat milk, I know some of you be like, Must it be goat milk? The reason why we're using goat milk is because, one, it's used for all skin type, can be used for all skin type, and it doesn't have a peak, and it's actually soothing on the skin. Have you noticed that each time you use other milk, or maybe you tend to use milk on your face, you get to notice cellulites get to pop up most times? So that's why we're actually particular about it. Milk, goat milk is really, really good. It's way better than cow milk, even in terms of nutrients and all that. That's why we're making use of goat milk. Yes, it's expensive, but it's worth the while. So we're going to be making use of goat milk. You get your goat milk powder, you pour it inside of it, then you get your propolis. You add it into the blender as well as your grapeseed and your royal jelly. Then you add it. The only thing you're not going to be adding into it is your castor soap. You're not going to be adding your castor soap into the blender. So you blend it properly. But the blender should be on low heat, because I know some of you be like, let me blend it on the high heat. No, you're going to be using a low heat to blend it. But you have to blend it because the granules takes a while before it blends. So you have to blend it properly. And then you take it out of the blender, you add it into your castor soap. You mix the mixture well, and then you sieve it. The reason why we're sieving it is because of it will look boil like, because of the granules. So you're sieving it in order to remove some of the boil like spots you have on the mixture in the blender. So you get to sieve it, and you put it in your shower bowl, whatever you want to use in taking your bath, and that's your soap. Now, I notice some people will be like, must I use propolis? What if I don't get propolis? Honey, the ingredient listed there is no omission and there's no addition. So if you want to use this shower gel as your own shower gel, or you probably want to mix it for yourself or for someone, there's no omission and there's no extraction, or there's no addition. Don't add anything into it. What has been given is what is needed, and what you don't need to omit anything also. And I actually remember telling you guys that an omission of a particular ingredient might cause a dent on your skin, because most times a cream that's supposed to repair your skin, just one omission of a product, it will not work, or either it will damage your skin. So please try as much as possible to follow most of the procedures. And yes, someone already said I'm not a skin therapist, blah blah blah. I'm not a dermatologist, according to what she said. But honey, most of my ingredients are actually very good, and they actually work for your skin. So if you actually want it to be beautiful on your skin, don't omit anything and don't add anything into it. I'm begging you in the name of God, please don't add anything into it, because I know some of you will add. So thanks for watching my video, and if you did enjoy this video, you can just give it a thumbs up, add, like, or share my video on other social platforms. Thank you. And yes, my website will be displayed on the screen, so you guys get to see. You could click on it, you could buy whatever you want to buy, some of the skincare products you want to buy, so you can order and we would ship it down to you. And thanks for subscribing to my channel. And if you've not yet subscribed, since I've been talking from the beginning till now, honey, please do so. And see you guys some more time. Bye guys.